Let us write our first program in C++. Here I start Xcode. Create a new project in Xcode and select this option, that is command line tool. Then you have to mention some project name, that is first is the project name and the language selected is C++. There are other options also available. Select C++. Then next. So where is supposed to create it? So you can set the path here wherever you want to create your project. Say create. Here are the project files. So click on main.cpp. You can see that a ready-made code is given. So it has already generated a piece of code that is executable code. Here are a few comments. I'll remove them. I'll remove these panels. Yeah. See, these command line arguments, these are optional in C++. I'll just remove these command line arguments. We'll study about these after some time. So here is a readily available hello world program. I'll run this. Let us see what I'll get. Here is an output window. Yeah, hello world. The output is given here. Here std scope resolution is used for accessing cout. So instead of this we can also mention using namespace. Using namespace std. Now I don't have to use std for using cout object. Let us run this and check once again. That's it. So this is working. The same program, I'll just modify it for adding two numbers. I'll remove these lines and I will write down the code here for adding two numbers. I'll declare few variables, integer a, b and c. See, you can see that it's prompting here if there is any error in the statements. Cout, enter two numbers. Then cin a and b, then C assign a plus b, cout sum is, then give a space and c. So this is a program for taking two numbers from keyboard and adding them and displaying the result. So these two lines are for taking input from the user. These two lines are interactive as it is giving a message to the user informing him to enter two numbers, then adding two numbers and finding sum and displaying sum here. Let us run this. Now here is a message, enter two numbers. I'll enter two numbers 10 and 30. Now here the sum is 40. I should get NL here so that the last message should come in next line, NL. Let me run. Enter two numbers 10 and 30. So now this program ended with exit code 0, that is coming in the next line. So sum is 40. That's it. So let me modify the same program and make it as a program for taking the username and displaying a welcome message. So string is a built-in class available in C++ library, that is std_iostream, and we can access in the namespace std. Here I'll give a message cout, may I know your name, then cin name. So str is a variable name, then cout hello, a space here so that space is there in between hello and name of a user. I'll run the program. May I know your name? Let us say name is John. So hello John. It's working. I'll run it once more. I'll give the name Sai Kumar. Let us see what happens. It's giving just Sai here. It's not giving the other name because the name is having two words here. It's reading only one word. If I want to read all the words entered in a string, then the right method is, there is a function available called getLine. GetLine takes input stream, that is seen, and next is string variable, string object. Now let us read it using getLine. This is the method for reading an entire line from the keyboard. May I know your name? So Sai Kumar. Now I got a full name, Sai Kumar. That's it. So this is a way you can access the strings whenever you require. There's a built-in object available in C++, and it's a very useful object.